Are you looking for the best countertop convection ovens in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top best countertop convection ovens. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Oster Extra Large Digital Countertop Convection Oven. This convection oven is dressed in stainless steel with an enameled steel structure for the cooking chamber, making it solid and robust. Plus, its door is equipped with double glazing to avoid the risk of splashing or accidents of all kind. It has a power of 1500 W and also features a timer and soft touch temperature selection buttons. And the oven can hold 2 racks at a variable distance. Get creative. In terms of performance, it will allow you to concoct superb delicious recipes in no time at all. You can use it for gratinating, baking, roasting, or whatever your cooking inspirations feel like creating. It is great for pastry as well as for roasting meat. This oven is built to last, thanks to the solidity of its enameled steel structure and its stainless steel cladding. Moving on at number 4, we have the Breville BOV450XL Mini Smart Oven. This Mini Smart Oven is the third variant in the family of Breville ovens. And it shares similar features with the Compact Smart and Smart Oven Pro versions. Those looking for the best convection oven on the market will often immediately look at this giant name in appliances. For years, Breville has found the winning formula to meet the needs of users. This is still the case today, as is proved by this model. This oven has a power of 1800 watts and has dimensions of 16 by 14.2 by 8.5 inches. It features 7 cooking modes, which give you the choice between bagel, toast, bake, broil, pizza, roast, cookies, and reheat options. In use, it is practical and intuitive, and you only need a few seconds to learn how to use it. The timer is easily set, and you get an inbuilt thermostat as well. And depending on the size of the meal you want to prepare, you can adjust the height of the grids to 3 levels. All these features mean that you will be creating delicious meals, thanks to the different cooking modes offered by this excellent convection oven. At number 3, we have the BLACK+DECKER Countertop Convection Toaster Oven. Another one on the list of our best countertop convection oven is the BLACK+DECKER. And it makes it super easy to cook with just the touch of a button, with its clever one-touch functionality allowing you to cook a wide range of foods. The deep interior is able to fit a 12 inches pizza and 6 slices of bread. It also comes with a removable crumb tray which keeps counter clean. It features a 2-hour timer and has a power of 1500 watts. At number 2, we have the Breville BOV845 BSS Smart Oven. Also making the list of our best countertop convection ovens is the Breville Smart Oven Pro. This oven comes with a simple but premium design with a nice stainless steel finish. It features an interior oven light and comes with 10 preset cooking functions which include a 6-slice toaster, bagel, bake, roast, broil, pizza, cookies, reheat, warm and slow cook. And it can accommodate a 13 inches pizza because of its significantly spacious interior. Non-stick makes it easy to clean. The convection technology ensures that heat is evenly distributed because of the inbuilt fan that circulates the hot air within and across the oven. This best countertop convection oven is built with a non-stick cavity coating for easy cleaning and maintenance. This Pro oven boasts of 1800 watts, which just the right amount of power for all your cooking needs. And it promises fast and effective performance. And finally at number 1, we have the Oster Toaster Oven. You and your loved ones deserve the best oven on the market. So starting off on the list is the Oster Digital Toaster Oven. This best countertop convection oven has a slick design with a large capacity. It lets you roast, broil, and toast your meals. The digital control panel is easy to operate as the buttons are labeled. It has a 6-slice convection toaster capacity and makes for faster and more even cooking. This interior can accommodate a 12 inches pizza, while the convection technology has a wide temperature range of 150 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This best countertop convection oven also comes with a durable baking pan and removable crumb tray, making it very easy to clean and maintain.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.